Hey y'all, it's Chrissy and welcome back to another YouTube video. I want to thank everybody that's been watching and tuning in. Thank you guys. But yes, y'all, as you can see by the title, we are doing another regular schmegler voiceover video. In today's video, we will be doing bohemian knotless braids again, because that's what everybody loves to do. As you guys saw, I had already did 2 rows of regular knotless box braids. I usually skip 2 rows simply because I feel like if I don't skip 2 rows, it's either going to be too heavy or the hair is going to get matted up, and it's really no point in putting all that hair on the back of 2 rows because nobody's going to see it. But here I am starting off my next row with some braiding gel. As you guys saw, I applied my braiding gel to my scalp like I always do, and I go in with my comb to just straighten my part out, just to make sure that nothing is crooked and everything is all straight, smooth, and and here, well, right there, I was just simply figuring out how much braids I had to do, and I just wanted to make sure that I'm braiding using the bricklayer method, and I'm braiding/parting using the bricklayer method, meaning that my braids should fall in between of a part, cover the part, if that makes sense. But yeah, you guys will see how I'm going to do that. But this is just me just scoping the little scenery out like I always normally say I do. The reason I do this is just because I just want to see how much braids I'm going to have. I used to never do this, but yeah, I never used to do this, but I just told myself, instead of just going real quick, I want to take the time out to see and look at exactly what I'm doing, and I want my work to be perfect. So of course this does take longer, but if you're a perfectionist and you move pretty quickly, this honestly should not take that large amount of time. But this is me basically starting my first braid in this row. I apply my braiding gel, I comb. Once I parted it and everything, I'm then going to comb out and mold that part just to get it ready for that part. As you guys know, I like to mold it just to give it that sleek look that everybody should be going for, and it should be a flat braid. I then split it into 3, and then I'm going to braid down 1 to about 3 times, and then I'm going to add in my braiding hair on the side that feels most comfortable to me as well. I continue to add in as many braided pieces as I want, but the thickness matters. If you're gonna add a lot of pieces, you want to make sure that your pieces are thin. You get me? So please make sure that you don't have a small part and your braids are really bulky. But as you guys saw there, I did add in the braiding in the curly piece of hair. It's very simple. I usually just braid it in. Look, you see that, guys? I don't prep it. I normally don't prep it or anything, but I am going to start because I do notice it does take a whole lot of time to sit there and pull, sit there and pull, sit there and pull. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys. But yes, y'all, whenever I do become a responsible adult and decide to prep the curly pieces before I use them, I will most indeed give you guys a tutorial on how to separate the curly pieces and how to save time and all that extra ish. Yeah, but honestly, I don't know, I don't really feel like cutting the pieces and then preparing it before. I don't know, y'all. I just get too lazy. This is me basically tucking in my client's natural hair behind the braid. As you guys can see, her natural hair is basically burgundy, and I just basically tucked by just pulling her natural hair behind the braid. I didn't use no gel, I didn't use nothing. I just pulled her hair behind the natural braid. That is simply it. And then I just basically do the same steps that I did on this braid onto the next braids. But I do skip 2 braids. So basically for after every 2 braids, I do a boho braid. Or after 1 braid, I do a boho braid. You get me? Because sometimes all that hair, and sometimes not everybody wants that much boho. You get me? So this is just my way of doing it. And yeah, it still came out really nice. It still came out neat. in full, so you guys will most definitely see that, like how it turned out in the end of the video as well, if you guys want to see that. But yes, I just decided to make this video a slow pace because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking my time, you know what I mean? But yes, y'all, you guys want to take your time. Yes, these braids will take more than 5 hours, right? Simply because this size that I did is small and they were thigh length, so depending on the size and the length, it will take a long ass time. And then just to add in the curly pieces alone, bro, I be feeling like it takes me like 5 minutes just to put in a curly piece. Is it really that hard for me to put in one curly piece? I don't know, y'all, but I'm gonna get faster. Like, the curly pieces really do give me a hard time, so I think I'm gonna have to find an alternative. As like right now I'm using bundles and I just cut the bundles off, but I'm gonna try to find an alternative. And yes, y'all, this is me just tucking in my hair. Like I said, y'all, I do not use gel, just depending. I didn't want to use gel. I don't really like always using gel to tuck hair because you don't always need gel to tuck my hair, you know what I mean? Hopefully you guys are watching my videos and learning what I'm doing. If y'all need more in-depth tutorials, you can most definitely comment down below. You can DM me on Instagram. You guys can do whatever you guys need to do to reach out to your girl Chrissy. But yes, y'all, this is not that hard to do if you already know what to do, you know what I mean? I don't want to be cocky or anything. This is most definitely hard if you don't know what the hell you're doing. But if you know what you're doing and you just wanted to see an example of how I do it, here's that tutorial. If you guys need some like gel, braiding gels or anything, you guys can also let me know. Or like you guys want to know the type of mousse that I use or anything, you guys can most definitely let me know, and I will provide a video. I will give y'all a good video of all the products that I be using. But I'm gonna stop talking for just a few minutes. I'm gonna just let y'all watch the video because I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of my voice, so I'm gonna let y'all be.
Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat the whole wall. Hop in the fall. After they bitch, they come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. They hate and the devil keep jumping me. That was on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yo, pull up and goes. Yo, my diamonds a choker. Holding the fire with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on it like the usual. Magic with the brick the voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got records on records, so my money making my back pay. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That could be blunt in the ashtray. You bitches just national smash tray. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath bag. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking the dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Folk, dropping money out of space. Kid, cut, introduce me to your bitch's wife, and we know she slut me. Broke a brick down, nutty, buddy, now that nigga ducky. Don't move too fast, I might shoot you. Draco, bad, bougie. I'm always hanging with shooters. I be posted somewhere secluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Call me Quavo Ratatouille. Run with that shit, call me Boopin'. When I'm on stage, show me boobies. Ice on my neck on the coolest. How about the suicide with the booze? I pull up, I hop out with all of the drugs in the pull up. I'm cooking, I'm whipping into it, rock up, let it lock up. I give her 10 racks, I told her go shopping and spend it all at the pop-up. These bitches, they fucking so thinking they bustin' for Instagram, get your clout up. Yeah, that way. Float on the track like a Segway. Yeah, that way. I used to trap by the subway. Yeah, that way. Young nigga trap with the AK. Yeah, that way. Big Dyco, get it dope, Macy, great. Raindrop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking the dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit.
Yes, sir. I had to go run and get my client a blanket because, ooh, it was freezing. Like, can y'all please remind me to turn down my damn AC? Because I'm not the only one that's hot. I need to chill out. I need to chill. But yes, y'all, this is just me bending my client's head, showing y'all how it looked and how it all turned out. I feel like it looked good. It looked great. And yeah, whenever you guys are hot wadding your hair, please don't forget to put like 2 2 towels. Please make sure that they are thick behind your client's head because you do not want to burn anybody. And please, please, please be careful with that damn hot water. You know what I mean? God bless you all. Please be safe with that hot water. Do not burn nobody and don't get sued. So that's the tip of the day. You know what I mean? Follow the steps. Do what you need to do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is the finished look again. And bye.